Hi, I'm Justin Hancock, garden guru with Costa Farms. Tropical hibiscus, or Hibiscus Rosa-Sinensis, is one of the most stunning tropicals you can grow on your patio. They're beautiful plants, easy to grow. Here are 3 easy tips to get the most out of your tropical hibiscus. 1. Make sure you give tropical hibiscus plenty of light. These plants do best in full sun. That's 6 to 8 hours or more of direct sunlight a day. They'll do okay in partial shade, but they won't bloom as much. Number 2, be sure to give them a healthy amount of fertilizer. Feed your plants weekly or every other week with a balanced fertilizer following the labeled directions on the packaging. And number 3, this is especially important if you grow your hibiscus in pots, a high-quality potting mix. Don't pot your hibiscus in regular garden soil. It doesn't drain well in containers and can introduce pests and diseases. A high-quality potting mix will also help hold nutrients, allowing your hibiscus to produce these big, beautiful flowers. Follow these 3 easy tips and you won't be disappointed with the quality of hibiscus you're able to grow.